In 1 Kings 17, we read about a widow of Zarephath. And Elijah comes to visit her and he says, "Give me some water and some bread." She says, "I only have a handful of meal and I only have a little of oil. Me and my son, we're going to eat it and then we're going to die." Not a very good outlook, is it? She was planning for her defeat before it even happened. Elijah gets fire in his eyes, and he says, "Fear not, make me a little cake, make some for yourselves, and eat it. And if you do that, your barrel of meal shall not waste, and the cruse of oil shall not fail." And so it was that the barrel of meal wasted not, neither did the cruse of oil fail. She was down to her last meal. She was preparing to die. She was resigned to the fact that it was all over. She was completely empty. And Elijah said, "Pour into somebody else." It's not about Elijah just needing food. It's about unlocking a principle that we need to understand, that your provision comes when you obey and pour into somebody else.